Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best pH hybrid lip oil stain on the market, the Wonderskin Lip Rehab Serum Oil in the shade Kissed. This product is a real game changer for anyone who loves a lip color that's both beautiful and nourishing. Right off the bat, this lip oil starts completely clear but then magically transforms into a juicy, personalized pink shade that reacts to your skin's natural pH level. This means the color you get is unique to you, giving your lips a natural, flattering flush that lasts for hours. It's not just a one-size-fits-all tint. It adapts perfectly to your individual tone, making your lips look vibrant and kissable throughout the day. One of the biggest frustrations with traditional lip glosses is the sticky texture that makes your lips feel uncomfortable and hair-prone. The Wonderskin Lip Rehab Serum Oil stands out because of its lightweight, non-sticky formula. It delivers a high shine, glossy finish without any tackiness or runniness. The texture feels smooth and nourishing, so you get all the shine you want with none of the mess. But this lip oil isn't just about the look, it's packed with skincare benefits too. It contains a rich blend of deeply hydrating ingredients like shea butter, which is formulated at twice the usual concentration found in lip products. Alongside that, there's avocado oil for deep nourishment, and apricot and jojoba oils that work together to moisturize and soften your lips. This combination helps to keep dry, chapped lips at bay, leaving them feeling smooth and supple. Vitamin E is also part of the mix, offering soothing protection against environmental damage. So, this lip oil doesn't just enhance your appearance, it actively cares for your lips by providing intense hydration and defense throughout the day. Whether you use it overnight for a deep moisturizing treatment or apply it during the day for a glossy pop of color, this product offers versatile care. Another great point to mention is the scent. It has a pleasant, subtle fragrance that adds to the overall experience without overpowering. Plus, the product is vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with ethical beauty standards for those who care about clean and conscious skincare choices. In terms of packaging, it comes in a sleek, easy-to-use tube that fits nicely in your purse or makeup bag. The application is smooth, making it simple to build up the color or add shine whenever you need a quick refresh. To sum it up, the Wonderskin Lip Rehab Serum Oil offers a unique blend of personalized color, long-lasting shine, and intense hydration all in one. If you're looking for a lip product that goes beyond just aesthetics to actually improve your lip health, this is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching.